Hello guys, welcome to MJS channel. In this video I want to show you how to set up TP-Link TLWR941ND. The method is very easy guys. The first step, you press and hold the reset button on the back of the router, guys. You hold it until the LED flashes like this, guys. If the router has been reset like this, it will enter factory reset, guys. After that, connect this laptop with this wireless, guys. For the login password, you can see it below this router, guys. Make sure the laptop and router are connected like this, guys. After that, you open the browser. You type http://tplinkwfi.net, then enter, guys. Then you guys log in. For the login password, you can see it under the router, guys. After you fill it in, click enter, guys. Congratulations, you are now in the main menu of this router, guys. To set the Wi-Fi name and password, you click the wireless menu. You can change the network name as you wish. For example, I want to change the name of this network to VB69. After that, click Save. When you click Save, our laptop will be logged out from wireless. Enter the password that is under the router. We log in with the network name we just created, VB69. For the password, you can see it under the router, because we haven't changed the password. After filling in the password, click Enter, guys. After the laptop is reconnected. Now it's time for us to change the password, guys. Change according to your wishes. But to make it easier for you to remember, guys, if me, I would change it like this, guys. After that, click Save, guys. We'll be logged out, guys. We will try, guys. Log in with the network name and password we just created. Okay, enter the new password, guys. Enter. Okay guys, connected. Congratulations, you have successfully set up this router, guys. Okay guys, I think that's enough for this tutorial. Because you have watched this video, I say thank you guys. Watch my other videos, guys.